Chances are, you've probably heard of fire coral before. While it may be quite pretty, it can have a nasty sting. I recently performed some coral reef restoration with the Environmental Research Institute of Charlottesville, and when thinking about some of the challenges I might encounter while performing restoration work, I did not really think about fire coral. So I wanted to do this video as a little PSA about what fire coral looks like and what to watch out for when doing coral reef restoration. One thing I did not anticipate was that fire coral can quite easily grow on PVC. In this video you can see our group working to clean algae off of PVC coral nursery trees, and you can see me start to brush what I thought was just another patch of algae and realize that it in fact was fire coral. In this picture you can see that the fire coral is growing on the vertical pipe sections. Now I must say, the challenge of avoiding fire coral isn't really identification. For the most part, it is pretty easy to identify, and there are plenty of pictures online. However, the challenge is to remember to keep an eye out. For example, in this clip, our group is working on outplanting coral fragments. We were running low on time, so we were just regging these fragments in the reef, and you can see here I totally forget that fire coral exists and try and put my fragment right in a patch of fire coral. It is important to note that fire coral also has multiple morphologies. It can kind of grow in this almost carpet-like covering. This is commonly found on coral nursery trees, and it can also grow in vertical, thin, lettuce-like structures. Both are found on the reef, so it is important to keep both morphologies in mind when looking out for fire coral. In summary, I would say my main tip is fire coral can be anywhere, and it doesn't care if you are in a rush, so remember to always be on the lookout. And if you find some, let your other divers know so they can avoid it as well. I hope this was helpful and everyone has a chance to perform some coral reef restoration. It was a truly amazing experience.